Let's start. Woo!
Human, this is a little hard. But I'ma pick, this one. Yeah, this one. Mom, can we please go there? Oh well, thank you. The grass smells super duper good. But let me just, wait, let me just pee. I need to pee. Okay, my little legs are tired now. Please, can you carry me? Please? Please, Mom. I'm super duper tired. No, thank you for the pets. I love when you carry me. Thank you so much. Okay. What is this? Is this a toothbrush? But I really do need to pick this one. Okay. This smells amazing. And it tastes delicious.